So one discovery we made is in the oil control rings. If this will focus, some of those are clogged. You can kind of see with the light that that one is clogged, whereas that one's see-through, that one's clogged. I don't think that... Oh wow, that's really packed in there too.
Oh,
There it goes.
that's good.
So that might contribute to some things, I don't know. A little lower.
See it?
Yep, I seen it. Hold on. Let me get a light. Alright, I think I did it. Oh, I don't think I showed the final product of this looks like. Not that it really matters, but yep. Alright, we finished ringing all the pistons. Time to throw them in, I guess. Let's put it in.
So you set it on there. I'll do the honors. I'll let you do the honors.
What is the average check on? Oh, dude! You realize this is a 6-liter capacity. Alrighty. All the pistons are in. All the bearings are fastened. You can't really see it, but you kind of can. But now it's just time to torque them to spec, and then we'll move on to reassembly of the rest of the engine. So that will be the oil pan. We'll have to put that on, and then start working towards getting the head back on and oiling this thing, and hopefully it all works smooth. Everything is going according to plan so far. So what Levi did find out with the rings is that all the rings but one were out of spec. So, and there they are. All of them but one were out of spec. So, the new ones came and they were in spec, and they should be the right ones. So, according to plans, we should at least have better compression, if not good compression, and this thing might actually run correctly. Right, Levi?
Hopefully.
What are we getting, the 35 pounds or what?
33 actually.
33 pounds, let's go. Ready, the pan is back on, the suspension is all pumped back together, and the Jeep is back on the ground. Now we just gotta throw the head gasket on, put the head on, do all that good stuff, and then we'll be ready to do a compression test. Isn't that right, Levi?
Yeah.
Know where you're going? Hold on. Go back for it. It's not on there yet. I think that might have been on.
That's in place.
Okay, I quit filming, but here we are. Complete reassembly of the Jeep. And I'm pretty nervous. Hopefully this works. We put a lot of freaking effort into this thing. This is the second time tearing it down. Hopefully this works. Not so bad.
20 minutes back together. We had those pistons laying on that bench over there, and it's back together and it's running. That's
the comments the other day itself, but it's still shaking quite a bit.
Yeah, I didn't think this was gonna fix that though.
But honestly, that's also a lot smoother than it did.
I think so, yeah. I mean, it sounds not that bad.
See that? It's just... Still not that good when I put it in gear. Not good at all when I put it in gear. To be honest, it's better than before.
I think so. But
I don't know what the deal is. Like when you put it in gear, it just freaking... I don't know, man. Like it just...
the not running issue. The not running well is the problem.
But
Fix the compression probably.
It sounds a lot better.